Boston's most famous walking route answers one clear question: how to see the city's most important history in one walk. And this Boston Freedom Trail Guide, must-visit historic sites DIY walking tour breaks it down stop by stop. This route connects key revolutionary landmarks you can explore on foot in a single day. Before we start, tell me in the comments where you're watching from. Number 5. Boston Common. Boston Common is the official starting point of the Freedom Trail and the oldest public park in the United States. Grab a soft pretzel or hot dog from nearby vendors before walking. Visitors usually relax, take photos, and follow the red brick trail markers. The nearby central burying ground adds historical depth to this open green space. Number 4. Massachusetts State House. The Massachusetts State House stands out with its gold dome overlooking Boston Common. Tourists often take guided interior tours and explore Beacon Hill afterward. Try a classic New England clam chowder at a nearby cafe. The building symbolizes early American governance and still functions as the state capital today. Do you want to visit these destinations on a budget? Check the description for the best rates I found on flights, hotels, and activities. Number 3. Old South Meeting House. Old South Meeting House played a major role in organizing the Boston Tea Party. Visitors explore exhibits and attend history talks inside. A lobster roll from a nearby deli pairs perfectly with this stop. The hall once held thousands of colonists debating British rule, making it a powerful revolutionary landmark. Number 2. Paul Revere House. The Paul Revere House offers a look into the life of the famous Midnight Rider. Guided tours explain colonial daily life and Revere's role in American independence. Try traditional baked beans from a local eatery nearby. It is the oldest surviving structure in downtown Boston. Number 1. Bunker Hill Monument. The Freedom Trail ends at Bunker Hill Monument, where visitors climb 294 steps for skyline views. Walking tours and ranger talks explain the famous battle. Enjoy a hearty Boston cream pie afterward. This site represents one of the first major conflicts of the American Revolution. Subscribe for more simple, walkable travel guides that help you explore cities the smart way.